In Alberta, Premier Danielle Smith was in Enoch Cree Nation this week to announce $30 million in funding to build a new centre for addictions treatment. APTN's Danielle Parody was at the event and joins us now. Danielle, thanks for being with us. Can you tell us a bit about the announcement made yesterday?
Yes, Premier Danielle Smith and Chief Cody of Enoch Cree Nation announced that there will be a 75-bed treatment center that will serve up to 300 people a year, designed with culturally appropriate addiction recovery services. So that will service the Edmonton area.
And now there's been some controversy as to this involuntary treatment being explored in Alberta. Can you tell us about that?
Yes, although the center itself is not designed for involuntary treatment specifically, that's been a big issue as we prepare for an election in Alberta. Both Premier Smith and Chief Thomas spoke about the addiction issues that people in Alberta are facing and the resulting social disorder. Chief Cody Thomas said that the center is going to be a very important resource for the community, and he told reporters that he supported involuntary treatment in some cases. Here's a clip of him discussing.
We're seeing our members in psychosis, and the resilience that we have as leadership and our frontline staff with health. We tried the mobile crisis response, and we still are working towards that initiative, but when are we going to say enough's enough to just watch our people deteriorate and die in the streets? It's not an Edmonton or a Calgary or a province problem. It's we're all in this together, and we're all affected by individuals that are addicted. We form them, they come out in 24 hours and they're back to the same thing. At least give them that glimmer of hope.
So Chief Thomas was talking about issues not only in his community, but things that we're seeing province-wide, and that he is hopeful that people will seek treatment themselves. They're going to prioritize treatment for wellness plans for people who are going through the Indigenous court system as well in Alberta, and he really hopes that this will help raise up the community.
So Danielle, any idea on when the Centre for Enoch Cree Nation will be operational?
We haven't been given a date for when it will be operational, but they do plan to begin construction in 2024. They were able to save some time using treatment designs based off of the Kenai blood tribe, based on the work that they did for the architecture, so that will help save some time. There are also 9 different centers being planned across the province, including the blood tribe and a couple in the northern and central region.
Well, Danielle, we'll leave it there, but I appreciate you telling us about this, what sounds like a pretty important operation there.
Thanks, Dennis.